Jeffy, go! The Arab, obviously impressed by this drinking non-alcohol beer because he's Muslim, throws it into the air, pulls out his AK-47 and shoots a glass to pieces. He says, in the Arab world we have so much sand to make glasses that we don't need to drink with the same one twice either. The Aussie Sheila cools a cucumber, picks up her beer, downs it one go, throws the glass into the air and whips out her 45 and shoots the Afghan and the Arab, catching a glass, setting it on the bar and calling for a refill. She says, in Australia we have so many illegal immigrants that we don't have to drink with the same one twice. God bless Australians and their sense of humour. That's funny. Oh, here we go. 50 Shades of Grey Men edition. Dulux. Ah! And there is literally 50 Shades of Grey. That's so funny. You have seen pharmaceutical advertising in doctors' offices on everything from tissues to notepads. This one should get first prize. Viagra. Seen it before. Food for thought. Only this stupid world do drugstores make the sick walk all the way to the back of the store to get their prescriptions, while healthy people can buy cigarettes at the front. Only in this stupid world do people order double cheeseburgers, large fries and a Diet Coke. Only in this stupid world do banks leave vault doors open